Taktam Ambatov looks like he's controlling the ties a little bit more than Santiago here early. Kyrgyzstan wrestlers primarily will work for those upper body positions to set up their attacks. A lot of chest wraps, a lot of throw-bys, good snaps. And that's a position where Taktam Ambatov wants to be. He wants to be in this over-under, wants to have his body lock. And Santiago may have been saved by a whistle there, as Taktam Ambatov just had a body lock wrapped up. So you see, working that 2-on-1 on the left side. And look at that, nice go behind as Santiago tried to spin out, but instead just spun into a go behind, and a very nice gut wrench there for Taktam Ambatov, taking the 4-0 lead. As I mentioned, wrestlers from Kyrgyzstan, you're not going to see a ton of leg attacks. You're not going to see, you know, those low leg attacks. You're going to see them working for underhooks, 2-on-1s, snaps, body locks. They really like to work those control ties and set up their offense from that position. But as I say that, very nice sweep single for Taktam Ambatov. So maybe he's just trying to prove me wrong. It's a beautiful single leg finishes, and oh, look at that. Goes one way, then the other on the leg lace, and that's going to put Taktam Ambatov up 8-0. One more takedown will do it, and that would make a tech fall. Look at that, underhook left side, forcing Santiago into an errant shot. And now Taktam Ambatov going to force that underhook and forces it right to a takedown. And in under 3 minutes, a tech fall for Razobek Taktam Ambatov. He's moving on to the round of 16 here in this 74-kilogram, very deep bracket. It's going to be a road for anybody to wrestle.